I just had a birthday and I decided to treat myself to a brand new cutting board. This is my first time taking a look at this Teak Haus cutting board. I've heard a lot about it, so I'm super duper excited to try this board out for myself. And if you've used one of these Teak Haus boards before, drop a comment, let me know what you thought about it too. So according to the packaging, I'm to expect this board to be evocative. I take that to mean beautiful, something that will improve the aesthetics of your kitchen. Right. They harvest the wood that they make these from forests that promote waste-free practices. So I'm assuming, as it says, nothing goes to waste when they make these boards, which is cool. It's made from teak, a tropical wood that's moisture resistant and durable. And of course they say that it's exceptional. So I'm expecting the best quality from this, better than what I've been using, because this is the first time that I've actually spent this much money on a cutting board. All right, so let's get into it. Okay. Pretty safe and secure in here. Oh, wow, look at that. Definitely at first look, it looks really nice. Ooh, got some good weight to it too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They have a smaller size, which is 20 inches by 15, but this is the XL, which is 24 by 18 inches. So that's plenty of space to work with there. Pretty nice. Good weight to it. And let's do the knock on wood test. Yeah, that's solid right there. It also has 2 handle grooves in the side, which is pretty convenient. You know, just stick your fingers in there pretty nicely. It's a comfortable grip, where you can lift it up, handle it how you need to. Pretty nice. Let's slide this off for a second. And let's get rid of the box. All right, that sits pretty nice and balanced on my surface here. I love the impression of really great durability and balance that this board gives. It looks really nice. I'm not used to a board this nice, so I'm pretty sure that may be some things I need to do, like maybe priming it. I heard there's some type of oil that you can use. Got to do my homework, but if you already know, by all means, please leave a comment below and give me a few tips on how you maintain your board. So if you made it this far on this video, thank you so much. Leave a like, leave a comment. All those things help the channel grow and go. So until next time, I just like to cook, and I'll see you soon.